Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper, in additional of Friday, almost weekend, Friday, September the 16th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block with 4 stars, and the last one. No, it's this one. The fourth one is a binary, and I start with a binary. Yes, for you, boys and girls, and this will be number. I believe 5186. Yeah, 5186. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Well, I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah, correct. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, oh wait. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, let me think. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, third one, fourth one. This box should be an O. Okay. Well, then, let me think. Need to compare, I believe. Yeah. Well, these two rows are almost the same, so you need to switch those. O and a 1 there. But how about? So here could be an O, or there could be an O. So almost this. These 2 boxes should be this. These 2 rows should be the same. Almost the same. So here an O, or there an O. But here we have 1, 2, 3. This should be the fourth one. So this box should be definitely a 1 then. Okay, now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, we need to compare again here. Well, we have here 3. 1, 2, 3. Well. I think we need to compare. Think to compare. Well, this will be difficult. This will be difficult. 3. Here. Oh dear. Well, double O. Here we double O. This column and that column. Let me start here at the end. 1, empty box, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Well, tough one. But we solve it again. Only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the tectonic with 4 stars. This one will be very special because it has less than 10 digits, printed digits. Yes. So see you later. Bye bye for now.